Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing today of this package I got from Danscomp, and obviously it's from Premium brand, so yeah. Come sit with me, Nate. No, you don't have to. Alright, I already have one of these wheels, but we weren't able to afford both at the same time, so then I bought this one later on, so there's another unboxing with the other wheel. There's that. And there should be something else in here. Yep. Alright. My extra large shirt, because I wanted to see how big it would be. It's free, so I can mess around and I already have one of them. That thing that you always get, the receipt. The fourth catalog I have, or this one is the fourth one of those I have. Stickers. Hey, I got a green one instead of a blue one this time.
I got a blue one.
And mechanic light track chain in black. Oh, show, I guess. Yeah. Okay, and then it's over here. Where did that go?
It's a light track chain.
Huh?
It's a light track chain.
No, it's just the name of that thing.
Oh.
I hate wheels when you have to open them. It sucks so bad.
I've never had to do that.
Really? Your wheel didn't come like this?
Nope.
That sucks. Hold on. Now we're getting somewhere. They like saran wrap it like you do to cars. You ever done that? You have? I want to really bad. Alright, so this is the wheel.